Pastor kalari otsang rom der khay church we staff church na le shira ga na sitsang na employees ha der khay church ot ram thu der khay ji ai nang so da church we kharnaus ha da volunteer mi da ga kajawi ga sakapai kya khalai la le shira ga na church volunteer sami der khay tigan spring ni hida da aman ga sak atam khmi wang ning shimi ai ji ga hangai nang so da yari bing ni azizmik show Palm Sunday ringa parts mi shong saruno church ida ministry mangawak mai ministry ng saruno ji hang sangai hi ga hangai nang so the sermon hi dang hulai namam diranga I would like to give a gist of the sermon. The topic that is given to me is the triumphal entry. In the Christian tradition, Jesus' triumphal entry into Jerusalem is celebrated as the Palm Sunday. This day is significant for the Jewish people. Most significantly, in a sense that this day was a day that was prophesied that there would be a Messiah who would come and deliver the Jewish people who has been oppressed by external forces or external powers or external countries. So when we look at the Palm Sunday, it is not just a spiritual event. It is not just something that is sacred in itself, but rather it is an interface. Rather, it is an interface of the sacred and secular. And I will call this as a theopolitical event. And to get a better perspective of this, let me put this way: the context, the political context of the time, and also the religious context of the time, immediate context. If we look at it, we will get the answers of why we celebrate this day, even to this day. Why is Palm Sunday significant at this point, in this contemporary context? When you ask these questions, you would find the answers, both in the historical context, in the immediate context, in the text itself. And hence, we need to ask this question, when we find these answers, what do we do with it? Palm Sunday, it's been quite some time. Hada tuk mai da machuk pai khai wang hada perspective aga mi ge kharjan mi ra ga hau pagi ajon dang jam safe thankfully Facebook ri mia khana am upload sa de, and you would see two mothers lui wa ra ga chot ta na ngara ga chang dam ne o jang khwe la kai khwa ra ga chot ta kai no na ga tir ma khre dam sa diaw gi da uru ung hon na ga chot nai da ruk hong ni Turu honbam naga look on now piva heno agaji amuga quer gamyaka shares hajne. It broke my heart. Chot rakana jam the gajami midinji hidi itumuyaroni gachochi had the leaderji. It's a very big jet the jitamine. On the other hand, itumuyaroni no we just had a recent 30 messy election. Pekana pisa yauraga dangni kukuri zadraga vote no by with the day. Yaru pisane. Chotter Having a Sarakaina Trumang high Hamnoin and the Ramata Hirala, Trumang Haivang Muro Hirale. On the other hand, Kajawi position, privileged position with Haivang, Pesa Pekaina Yauraga. As though it is nothing, Pesa Yauraga, unethical Sarakaina, Ningui Haivang, political position, powerling Ninghaivang, later Apamne. That is our context. He Karjan Kahangaina. When you look at the story of the Palm Sunday, Jerusalem context, the Palm Sunday, and Karjanji had the Shambada in a Bami Rojaga, a Bible Bami, even a Matana Bamere, Jishuna, Jerusalem, Awakatan, Sahang to being. Years at the Vazangana Zamsaran, Sakang to Kanidi, Jerusalem Rivaraga, there will be a donkey, Katale is Hara, Jungemri, Seguia, now is Hare, Karabairaga is Hare, Aquiraga, Idiquimido, Katana, Kuina, he the Katagala, Squia, now Juquiji, Hanaka, the Lord needs them, Vrena, Idumi, Ojana, Ninjang, Kubone, Chuana, Quigine, Hangro, Hangde. So they went. Kataja Akuye Squia now Jing Hununga, Juaduni cloak, Itumna Horak, and White had the Juhudia Bamikas Habams had the Ayala to a Ponah and Waishan, kasari da kasikri da protect sa haibang. So what they did is kajonji katha dong ni fuga me raga squee anauri meaning la katha bare ka dong ai raga jishun Jerusalem ni wazang jinai Jerusalem ni wazang dharan yarui bingna mangari shuzat khnukri wauraga Hosanna the son of David the wauraga atumi katha ji dong da dre jiga shongfuri atumi ka jonji hammi jinai adai thumai haura janghom hom khmi da hammi raga tingna hammi raga zatama man jinai raga yarui na unya wai na hada ring para kaina celebrate saraga welcome sa hui jinai sa hui raga ya mi bing Jerusalem ni razang jena ko shura ga ode they were baffled go mi bai gi para kryang da ngahane yaruina mo ko thei mi razang saumo wau raga ring para kaina Jerusalem ni razang saran yaruina gi pa khra nga thinge jena yaruina rang hanga wi shide ga thei bing na maran ne nazar du en ne mi bai da ngahanga mi Kharjan hi tharaga thakha idumi mirin hi kharjan hi na kada dam dui bai ri khriang ta shamra gaina what is this text speaking to you to me the kupsangai bai kho but it should not stop there he chuadam wi religio political context the kha text hi kya kha powerful sa kra jishuna katha dong ga Jerusalem ri wagzang hi क्या powerful सा क्या significant सा करा जी कतई से मंगना जिशु का प्रादम सरान पैलेस्टाइन ही जिहुदी ना कपम अपम ही रोमन सरकार ना मुंसाये जिशु ना रोमन सरकार बिंग ही ना खुआ का राइडर का यू खुई खाए दम सरान normally what they do is अवुंगा अख अथुम ना सिंखराप ना उगबाई थदा पबेट थदा अथुम ना याशोंग जत रोज का याशोंग जत Wishong zat logic wishong zat awunga ka hai ka hayao maning ka atumi governor ka abam ni yangsang mi phaiwang so tada amingai na tada akhwana ka hai mi ne ena jishu der gai public ministry how about them ni they had someone pilot the lisa ne bondius pilot na atumi apam jishu bam der apam ni yangsang sai Atumhi, they don't stay in Jerusalem. They stay 2 days right away from Jerusalem. Jena Jehudi bing panit sa ka festival sa ka squid on airaga crowd control sa wang razang jine. Kyuai na kra jige hino. Jehudi bing hi festival adamri. Itum na luiru pni kadam yona ka itum basi sang naga or traditional dress sang naga or haula saraga tada gajawi ya da legacy da pajak chagraga emotionalize sa kha da atum hi da phani di rasang phanga kha Roman sarkar bing ni revolt sa khaiwang instigate saraga chakchang dang muk jom ga rai sa tu khai khlei khai ne Roman sarkar na jima shok khaiwang crowd control sa khaiwang sipai than naga phani kata dam ni ra yang sang jinai phani kata ri ra khyang sang dam hi hena ma dangai ra chuwangai na thum hi yarui hi control masa bai thu gi da atumi therma we ka than mai chief priest ri leishra kaina singna kaina leishrak ma jim le singna kaina singhuye ga partnership build sai ga haijno so thang wi jihudi bing wi mirin zmik sho gazat ka gar ka tong hui day to day affairs hi therma we ka than ba hin yang sang jin raga amingai na Roman sarkar na adungni yang sang control sa sala thang wi ka shok ka jang hi Chuadamri Caiaphas na chief priest sai Caiaphas and his councils will look after the daily affairs adumi ka shok ka jang hi ka tong yang sang mi sa jin hi important sa ho jishuna jihudi Jerusalem li katha dongai raga ra ka jang dam saran this has a rich historical tradition ajaraga aunga bingna raiwa daraga raiue ka khudong khana shokraga welcome saguiraga shokwauraga aunga bahiri raiuiraga aw shibai than khong adam saran sigui dongai raga ungjang adam hiri yaruina welcome sagui jino it is a moment of celebration a moment of victory jena jishuna katha donaga Jerusalem ni ungjang hi it has two powerful meaning Atumna Jehudi bing na maranara dre o the hakmaharak kai itum di deliver sami giji both spiritual and literal deliver sami giji bahi rata ire giji declaration ne ana skui dong kada ka hi awung rai rai da declare sanu chidhau ki da jishuna katha dong kada ka hi it made Caiaphas and his councils very uncomfortable, very nervous. Atumui power privileges challenge sami heno hi katha dong ka hi. It's a powerful statement. Messiah rai rai jino na tumni deliver sami ji rai rai da subtle sarang na develop declare sami jina yaru di demonstrate the sami wishidruko ina aram explain sadam saran powerful statement no na tumni kan khui mi ji barai rai da publicly yaru ina Hosanna the son of David the wauder hi declare sa khai no maran rai da so atumni ayu adungni bam naga chawgiri bamai raga yaru wi ko shok sang yang sang raga powerful saragan leg sabing hi atumi power hi shiman raga jawi da it made them very uncomfortable and nervous yaru bing na vow da accept sa no publicly declare sa wi da it made them very nervous chimamang maning ra jishu rara oh messiah rara ji hi maran ra or prophet ra kathan ra maran ra maning ka aung bahi rai gping ra da chikta expectation lay sai that the very humanly powerful sara kaina ra ga itumni literally delivers hamira mangra rin maning ra jiwi chikhan expectation lay sa jino atumna maran ra da khoni but what Jesus did is this jishuna sugui ma dong ra katha dong hi lang so da kaina ngam da ka da hang ni kra Iraq the Imran the project Masaira Shamrak kaina humble sarak kaina katanaw dong grata haina jishuna. It is a confrontation to the religious system and religious position and practice of that time. Jo adamni thermarin katana sadar haibindi confront gasano tada atumni self importance malla kaina miraga Iraq kaida khraya katana bingji religious system kikra they were already in bed with the Roman Empire. Atumni young shaping ni pet agripam room raga atumai paisa zaraga the lifestyle flamboyant sarakaina tada makawai raga legasa leadershiping the challenge kasano jishuna katha dong janghi icham rakai yaru we mi sagaji command people kacham nawi kathana sagaji aung ratai re marana dai re the declare kasano he henamadang sakaim ne jukumji aru honwena text na hang der hi thamai context na hang der hi thamai explain sabai faibang aton thangcham Mizoram with deputy speaker became a viral in the social media China deputy speakers being he ayar shoga kha kari khaman man thawai raga potikar bangari khnuk do ngai raga pura security layer raga kari thawsok chine but what the Mizoram's deputy speaker did, Larlin Naumati, pronunciation, and what they did is, Kari command man ni security bite now and this is the itumui religious political power the Iraq the projects tan jiteng hai we contextually confront ham is no simple lifestyle bite now or the bang during that time, Jishuna Katha now don't go ahead the Jerusalem Ragazang he religious leader being self-important Saraga Yaruri, Ningaraga, the Iraq the Gazadam Thunder having ni. I mean him Hidata Zakiko, Ijam made the Yari ring room ago, Yari is at Yari jot, Itum down being Yar city migrant workers had a rabam that having we could jot. Goodbye, Shimbara bums at the Shimga Power, good shot, let it get them now, being school fees, Mamirella, Jewy good shot, Tairaga, me being we sip a conganaraga, Oktwigi and Maranji, eco that you should declare as Hazimi Shono Aji, Itumivan. How significant is this even? Tang Hanaka, Itum ring use at Migi. Jena Matangauge, Gakne Bahina, Jishuna. Jerusalem Ragazang Damsaran, Yaruina, Mibahi, who is this guy? Who is this Tang Hane? Mibahi Gibakre, who is this man the Kanghandam Saran? Yaruina, Marane, Nazaretwin, the Hangai, Yarubina. He hung high Jishuna Varaga, temple was the cleansing of the temple. And this cleansing of the temple, Jishuna sayur ba yu sacrifice sa khai wang chikat khai wang yorder khai money changers paisa change sa khai khai leider khai bing hi tishuna ka shamsok raga murung ba tak kana ka shamsok khai incident zangai. This is this is a public declaration that the Messiah's work is something like this. Juadam ri things ngai Jerusalem li pilgrimage wang siara sa khai wang the siara sang rok jine hi khradam saran apam ka ta da vai na wi da sayur bayur mo phungna bai thu gi da Jerusalem le razang ai ra chikat khwai wang aro hui jine wanau ga ta sayur ga ta chikat khwai wang hi temple wi ayar jang ni yarui bamni rakhorum khaya bamni temple wi prising de Jehudi wi chief religious chief and a council being Mia Queen later go. Sayur he don't quick wang your zaraga pum hine. Not only that, money changers the hundred being he. Juadam Rikat Hagrajika, Roman Circle being tax misagino, Jenna tax kami Pisa he change Rasa Wijine, currency idumna. Are you on Indian rupees and American dollars change Sakwita? Change Rasa Wijine. Pisa he changed Rasa Wijika. Extra huiraga kremaina yarui shebasa khaiwang service migna da khami miningra sayur khami haimi dar khai hi paisa chain sa khoi sa da hi kucha khat do wang tongza khaiwang samsung ai raga benefit sa raga yarui bingna sia sangai reu waina varedi phangai reu waina khradam saran sayur ba your sang paisa exchange sa raga zabam raga atumui tong khwai ngreu bam da khai they are benefiting out of this animals that are meant to be sacrificed, monies that are meant to be given. Aga atumna tax mi wang bisa hi. Tada kejadawi religious benefits, religious chief priest na tax Roman circumcision kami hi and the responsibility that kuis has no. Then he will bisa hi saza hui raga tax mi der kine. Very corrupt religious system. He dishunaras ham thami der khino. So when we celebrate Palm Sunday, jam raga chot raga command people sipsa rakan der khiri ka shang nau bing na yaruri mi raga yarui welfare sami gi ji masami da yaruri ka jawi privileged position wi wang ya sizinder khiri confront zano. This is a confrontation to the religious system and to the religious leaders of that time. Juadamri Tada Makauda kaina Tinam Rakaina, Tada Mashun Madam Jitegi, Mangarin we Madam Jitevira, Tadagajawi Tongza Haivang, Juadami Kayafasi, Singum Tradachat, chief priest Sasazno, and that's very rare. He was one of those religious leaders who was the chief religious leaders for a long time. He Arungni Paisazaraga Mario sang the religious leaders Mzabai no. The powerful Sarana sang a Kayafasi Bams Hazino. So he confronted that. Temple Sakam Dahi, oh Mangarin, very passe the Hamaninga. He very korum Kaishim sing we Gaimaninga. Yarui very korum shim korum Kawai Shimi Sijin Wirga Yarui Jipakai. They did not just misunderstand the purpose of the place of worship, but they were using the place of worship to manipulate and to oppress the command people. Yarui chipat the good jamder bini, ringa shang a sector. Itumia bumni atang chotrai nether we example me. Rain harvest saraga itumi tengi dangdangni samsung mioshi gajang itumi gajam bumni, machotam they arion turgagamni. But they are doing something else out of our public money. Regard road maratrakina, Tatarod maratrakina, Kajawi position of Paida society on Ire. Jishuna Ajizimic show Palm Sunday community. He could have corrupt religious system. He could have corrupt Sakai society. He could have religious leaders being itum Tandan, itum Yarunim Dizzer being Kapanin to Komaju or Sakring Weaka, itum Gutabini, confront Sadakai Semikshone. So what does that mean to you when you celebrate Palm Sunday on a day like today? Azizimic show Palm Sunday community. No, we want key. What is the significance of it? Should we say that to me let's be like Jesus? Let's be like Him. Let's grow in the likeness of Jesus. You should other say, Mangrarin, but Yeshua was always involved in both the spiritual and social religious, social political system of the time. Ituma Adamira, he Mushunguku Adamne. Ajabam said they can be on he. Ituma Adamni corrupt system later he. Religious no political no corrupt Saraga society later he. Muirga later he. Just shuna confront has a mixone. And Mashuning in English is a mixone. He machining in English of Kaivang, Varena sok me, Sarano, Nagui Hai shall we Kai Jivri, very wing Urumi, Marata wing Urukmi, Tang Tang, we pay our Mushum made the decision quickly at Vashabrago, or Sakaina, Sasha Kaibang Shop Samiro, Nishiade.